classmates, I'm Michaela. Everybody in the world uses some type of communication in their everyday lives, but did you know that many aspects of that conversation is nonverbal? For example, the gestures and the movement of the body while someone is speaking are examples of nonverbal communication. Other types of nonverbal communication that can be used are eye contact, the tone of voice, and the way you express your feelings or emotions on your face, which will be discussed later on. Although there are many different types of nonverbal communication, I'm going to go through three major aspects that everyone should know and should use in their everyday conversations. To present to the audience three aspects of nonverbal communication, which include the importance of the tone of voice, the importance of the facial expressions, and the usage of eye contact. I have researched the topic that I am discussing today in depth. I have taken the time to read through every source and carefully examine the content. First off, I will describe the importance in the tone of voice used in nonverbal communication. Secondly, I will discuss the importance of facial expressions in nonverbal communication. Lastly, I will focus on the usage of eye contact in nonverbal communication. Nonverbal communication is an important aspect of communication that many take for granted, but it can tell you so much about the other individual based on the nonverbal cues they express. First off, I will discuss the importance of the tone of voice used in nonverbal communication. According to Harper Education article, the tone of voice can be described as the way the person speaks to someone. Using the right tone of voice can determine if you get your point across correctly or if it will be misinterpreted. Using an optimistic and positive tone of voice, you are welcoming to others and more likely to have a good conversation with them. Also from the Harper Education article, the importance of the tone of voice can impact the entire conversation. Using the appropriate tone of voice is important in the conversation. Would you use the same tone of voice if you were talking to your grandma as you would with your boss? Likely you would not use the same tone of voice because you wouldn't be getting your point across using that same type of voice for your grandma and for your boss. Have you ever wondered why you were drawn to a particular teacher or professor? The reason that you were drawn to that individual is because their tone of voice made an impression on you. Teachers use a tone of voice known as informative tone of voice, which enhances knowledge, imparts information, and inspires personal growth. After discussing the importance of the tone of voice while communicating with other individuals, brings me to my next topic of facial expressions. Secondly, I will discuss facial expressions in nonverbal communication. Chris, the author of the article on the role of facial expressions in social interacting, says that facial expressions can convey the emotions and feelings of the speaker. The flash of an eyebrow can indicate that someone wants to speak or is expressing how they feel after someone has just spoken. The way that the muscles move in the face can depict how you are feeling even without you knowing it. Many facial expressions are done unconsciously without you even knowing it. Also from the article, Chris states that studying facial expressions can illustrate how a behavior can evolve into a more sophisticated communication system. The way that facial expressions are expressed is more complex than it is thought of. Facial expressions are processed both consciously and unconsciously, but most of the time they are expressed unconsciously by individuals. Now that you have known the importance of facial expressions, it brings me to my last topic about eye contact. Lastly, I'll focus on the usage of eye contact in nonverbal communication. What is eye contact? According to the article, Nonverbal Communication, the Importance of Eye Contact, written by Jack Brown, eye contact is defined as looking semi-randomly into the area whose borders surround the eyes, about 2 centimeters. The typical amount of time that you would be looking in that area while someone is speaking is between 30 and 70%. Eye contact is normal, a natural instinct that all humans do. Have you ever noticed that infants will gaze into others' eyes instinctually? That is because they have a strong desire to do so. But as time goes on, adults lose that perspective of doing that and have to reteach themselves how to do that. Why is it so difficult for adults to do this? As I just stated before, they lose that natural instinct of doing it. Looking directly into someone's eyes may make the conversation physiologically intense. The way eye contact is interpreted based on the conversation and context can be perceived as predatory behavior, angry, sexual attraction, or deception. The use of eye contact is seen differently depending on where you are from. In the United States, it is considered disrespectful if you do not have eye contact with the individual that you are speaking to. In other cultures, the lack of eye contact is considered as a sign of respect. In conclusion, I have described the importance of the tone of voice used in nonverbal communication. I have discussed the importance of facial expressions in nonverbal communication. I have also focused on the usage of eye contact in nonverbal communication. I have presented to you the three aspects of nonverbal communication, which include the importance of tone of voice, the importance of facial expressions, and the usage of eye contact. Although that there are many aspects of nonverbal communication, I have gone through the top three most important ones that every individual should be aware of when communicating with others. The facial expressions, the tone of voice, and the amount of eye contact can impact the entire conversation that you have with someone. The way you present yourself to an individual will be reflected back to you based on how you talk to them. I will leave you with this quote by Edward Sapir. Nonverbal communication is an elaborate secret code that is written nowhere, known by none, and understood by all. Thank you.